Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Kabaka Pyramid is jetting. The recent Grammy winner has seen an uptick in his calendar following his Grammy win in February. Kabaka is currently on his way to Europe for an extensive 6-week tour with scheduled stops in France, Netherlands, Belgium, Sweden, Austria and London. Kabaka, who popped in the island for a few days, was seen here with fellow Grammy winner Beenie Man at Yaxter's 22 album launch event. He won the Grammy with his Damian Marley produced album The Call-In, making his first US TV appearance on Fox 5 Good Day New York last Friday.
Congratulations on the Grammy win. I'm just going to ask you real fast, can you toss the weather in a rap?
Oh.
I know you can kind of do something on the spot, you know, just throw in some words like weather, we got some rain, some clouds, kind of throw it in there together.
This is Kabaka Pyramid, much stronger than a leather. Right now, we have a toss it to the weather.
Yes! Yes! I will take it to the weather, together.
We have the sun, we have the storms too. And it's kind of cold, but now it's calm too. Kabaka Pyramid, keep it ready. I make them know, said the way the people of this
Dancehall is back in the booth. The songstress released her first single for 2023 titled Surreal. This soulful contemporary reggae single comes from the label Natural High and co-producers Chill Much More and Ginger Sounds. Tassan, who recently welcomed her second child, in 2013 made history as the first international artist to win the US competition, The Voice. She has seen Billboard success with the single Count on My Love, which debuted #1 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Now, Pink's Trust Fall fails to secure the #1 spot. The first week of sales of the So What singer's 9th studio album was not enough to get the highly anticipated fan favorite to the #1 spot on the Billboard 200 charts. Trust Fall could not remove SZA's SOS from the top spot, as SZA is going for its 10th week atop the charts. Pink, at her album release event, an intimate acoustic performance in New York, stated that her album is about the messiness and beauty of life, adding that she is now comfortable in her skin.
As a woman, whether you have kids or not, as you get older, we're hopefully learning from all of our experiences and processing and just constantly becoming more comfortable being ourselves. And I feel that I am a very good person. Good, I was trying to figure out a better word for good, but I like me. That's a revelation.
Pink will hit the road this summer with Brandi Carlile and Pat Benatar, as well as Neil Giraldo on select dates. She will follow with an autumn tour in North America. Pink has topped the charts with each of her last 3 albums, most recently 2019's Hurts to Be Human. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.